So in this video, we are required to find the G.C.F, also known as H.C.F, of 90 and 108. First of all, we need to know that G.C.F, known as greatest common factor or highest common factor, is the product of the smallest power of the common prime factors. Keyword, common prime factors. So basically, we need the prime factorization of each of the terms. So let's start with 90. So the prime factorization of 90 can be gotten by this. 90 divided by 2 will give us 45. Then 45 divided by 3 will give us 15. 15 divided by 3 would give us 5. 5 divided by 5, that would give us 1. So in that case, we know that the prime factorization of 90 is 2 times 3 times 3 times 5, which is the same thing as 2 times 3 raised to power 2 times 5. Then let's move on to 108. So for 108, the prime factorization will start with 2. 108 divided by 2, that will give us 54. Divided by 2, that will give us 27. Divided by 3, that will give us 9. 9 divided by 3, that will give us 3. 3 divided by 3, that will give us 1. So this implies that the prime factorization of 108 will be 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. And this will give us 2 raised to power 2 times 3 raised to the power of 3. Okay. So having gotten all this, the next thing is that we are considering the common factor. Please, it's very important, right? There is 2 here, there is 2 here, so 2 is common, right? There is 3 here, there is 3 here, 3 is common. So basically, we are going to discard 5. That's the logic about G.C.F. So now, like I said, is the product of the smallest power of the common prime factor. So let's look at the smallest power. This is 2. This is 2 raised to power 2. So we can say that G.C.F will now be we pick 2. That's the smallest power. Then times 3 raised to power 2. This 3 raised to power 3. We pick 3 raised to power 2. And that will be 3 raised to power 2. That is 9. 9 times 2, that is 18. So the highest common factor or greatest common factor of this set of number is 18. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.